Welcome back. I'm Faith, Prose's Director of Education, and your guide to healthy hair. In this third series of The Cutdown, we are going to discuss our scalp health and why it plays such a critical role in growing healthy hair. A healthy scalp is the foundation of hair growth. Our scalp contains a community of microorganisms called the microbiome. The scalp microbiome consists of a mix of these microorganisms working together to keep a natural, healthy scalp balance. When the scalp microbiome is out of whack, it can result in flakes or rashes or flare-ups. And an out-of-balance scalp microbiome can also result in inhibited future hair growth, as well as strands that can become increasingly dry, brittle, and fragile. Just like the skin on our bodies, it's important to remove dead skin cells and cleanse around the hair follicles. Excessive product buildup and oils can contribute to an imbalanced scalp that leads to less support of healthy hair growth. Some other factors that can affect the scalp are anything from UV rays to pollution, to the change of seasons, and even our diets and stress. 1. Start with your diet. A balanced nutrition is the first step towards healthy hair growth. 2. Begin taking daily supplements specifically targeted for hair and scalp health. Although a balanced diet is critical, unfortunately, we often lack the necessary vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants needed to support hair follicle health. 3. Lower your stress levels. Stress can be a cause of hair shedding, as stress mediators like cortisol have receptors in the hair follicle. 4. Include a scalp mask in your wash routine. A scalp mask specifically formulated with pre and probiotics will help to support a balanced microbiome. Sometimes there are situations that are out of our control, such as postpartum hair loss caused by hormonal changes or even seasonal hair shedding. But the good thing is that these conditions are only temporary. Thanks for watching. Let us know your questions in the comments below and visit prose.com/blog to learn how to take care of your scalp in between wash days.